So in this video, I will show you guys how to make ad creatives that can help you print $10,000 a day drop shipping. And these creatives look something like this.
This is not a water gun. This is a piece of high-tech engineering, a powerful, precision-designed, pressurized water blaster that was designed, developed, improved, and built for peak performance. If you're watching this,
now that right there is an example of a high converting creative that I actually make for my own stores, and most of it was actually done by AI. It had a great hook, it was a great explaining the features, and it grabbed the customer's attention really quickly. And I guarantee you, by the end of this video, you will know exactly how to create videos just like that are able to make over $10,000 per day, because I'm gonna go ahead and recreate that video right in front of you today, all for free. And I'll teach you how to get the hook, write the script with the AI, generate the ad videos made by AI, and putting it all together on a video editor like CapCut. And you don't need to know video editing, you don't need to be creative, and you really only need the video and a little bit of help from AI, and you're good to go. And these are the same exact creatives right now that me and my one-on-one students are currently making. So if you want to join my one-on-one program where I help people scale to 1K a day, 5K a day, 10K a day, even more, just go to the first link down below. But anyways, as you can see right here, I literally have one creative right here that I spent around $4,000 on, got back a 2.12 ROAS to make $10,000. As you can see right here, I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 creatives. Facebook didn't spend any money on the rest of the creatives, and they only spent all the money on this creative right here because this was the winning creative. If it wasn't for this creative right here, I would have made not that much, not $10,000 at least. And today I'm going to show you how to recreate the creative that made me $10,000 in a single day, and the one that Facebook thought was the best creative overall. Without a good creative, even if you have a winning product, if you can't convince somebody to visit your website, there's really no point of actually running that product, because like I said, they're not going to visit your website and buy anyways, even though you have a really dope product. So you need a winning creative to back up your winning product as well, or else all things will go ahead and fall apart. So we have this dropshipper right here. It's been running a bunch of ads recently. And let's go ahead and take a look at this ad right here, because this ad is one of the best ads I've ever seen for a dropshipping product.
This is not a cat toy. This is a piece of high-tech engineering. A smart, sensor-packed, self-rolling ball that was designed, developed, improved, and built over the course of 8 months.
All right, that was their hook. That was basically them saying, hey guys, this is not a cat toy. Look at this toy right here. It's a super highly engineered, crazy toy that's been literally engineered for cats and all that good stuff. It's literally on AliExpress right here for just a few dollars, as you can see right here. So the hook they use is already really good, because someone that owns a cat is gonna be like, oh, if that's not a cat toy, then what is it? Because it kind of looks like a cat toy. And you're gonna see how it's gonna explain all these benefits and features for this dropshipping product that actually doesn't really exist, but the convincing part of the video is that they're able to convince these customers to actually visit the website because of the creative. Let's go ahead and keep watching this.
If you're watching this, it's probably because you have a cat at home and a box of absolutely useless stuff that your cat hasn't looked at in 3 years. And why? Because your cat is way too smart to be impressed by this. So what does it take to capture cats' attention and get them playing, chasing, and running? You have to create something that appeals to their deepest instincts and activates their desire to hunt. An object that moves on its own, changes direction, detects obstacles, responds to touch, and the cats can wake up themselves so they don't have to wait until you get home to finally push a button. An object that knows its surroundings and has the most sensitive sensors you've ever seen. An object that not only entertains your cat, but keeps it fit and healthy. This is not a cat toy. This is the Powerball 2.0.
There you go. That was a really convincing ad on a few dollar toy from AliExpress to make it seem like some highly engineered toy that's gonna go ahead and help your cat have crazy benefits, like they're not gonna be bored at home, get some exercise, they don't have to wait for you to come home to play with them, they can play by themselves. And they say like the cat's natural instinct to hunt an animal, like all these things are actually added up into that one video, and it makes this small blue toy into something that seems like super crazy. And look at the website right here. As you can see, the Powerball 2.0, it literally makes this small blue toy that's a few dollars on AliExpress seem like it's some crazy products, but honestly, it's just a dropshipping product. And that's what you need to do to actually make good creatives, because these creatives right here are the only things separating you from having a profitable and a non-profitable dropshipping store. Just like before, if I didn't have that one creative in my ad account, I would have missed out on $10,000 per day. And these are the creatives that go ahead and actually make you $10,000 a day. These creatives that are able to convince customers that usually wouldn't buy this product, but because of your creative and because of how convincing it was, they're going to go ahead and check out your website. And as long as you have a good product and a good offer, they'll go ahead and complete that checkout and you'll make that profit. By the way, if you wanted a professional to take care of this for you, make sure to check out Viral Ecom Ads down below, because I know not everybody has the time, skill, or energy to make their own ad creatives, especially not ad creatives that are super high converting like the one you just saw. All they need is your product link, and they'll come up with the entire creative for you. And as you can see right here, this is one of the creatives that I actually made for me. As you can see with this water gun right here, All I did was send them the link to the AliExpress product, and they made the whole creative for me, a really convincing creative. So let's go ahead and take a look at one of the creatives they made me.
So I thought this was just a toy, but my little bro sprayed me from like 30 feet away. It felt like I got hit with a hose. This thing's got real pressure and he won't stop chasing us. It shoots like forever. We had to hide behind the grill. I swear he thinks he's in an action movie now, not even mad. It's too fun. Get yours before summer really hits.
There you go. It makes a toy look like some super fun toy that somebody needs for the summer. It's super relatable. It has a storyline attached to it, like his bro shot him with a water gun. Let's go ahead and take a look at the second creative that they made for me as well.
This isn't a water gun. This is a weapon. I pumped it once and soaked my neighbor across the yard. Like, he dropped his sandwich. It shoots harder than my shower, and it holds so much water. I haven't refilled in like 3 sneak attacks. If you want to win every water fight this summer, you need the Splasher X. No mercy out here.
There you go. The creative, the script actually matches the target audience. It uses the same lingo that the target audience would use for their water gun fights. Right here, the hook is actually similar to the cat toy. They're saying that this is not a water gun, it's a weapon. So if you're interested in having your ad creatives done by professionals and all you want to do is send a product link, make sure you check them down below. They're called Viral Ecom Ads. And thank you so much for sponsoring today's video. So first things first, to make a really high converting script, you actually want to go ahead and just use your competitor's script to rewrite it for your product. You can find a high converting script on Facebook Ads Library. So for example, this one is a really, really good script for the product we're about to launch. All we're going to do is take the script and tell ChatGPT to rewrite it. So in order for us to take the script, you have to download it off of the Facebook Ads Library, or you can go ahead and screen record it off of your phone. For me, I'm going to download this extension right here called the Swipe Kit Ad Library Downloader. There should be a link down below, and it should be free. I'm going to click Add to Chrome right here, Add Extension. All right, once the extension is installed, I'm going to go ahead and click refresh right here and scroll all the way down and click save right here. I should go ahead and download this video straight to my computer. So right here, I'm gonna click save view an app right here. And what you're gonna do is click this right here. You can go ahead and download it to the computer if you want to, or you can actually go ahead and click copy transcript right here. And once the transcript is copied, you can go to ChatGPT. So we're gonna go to ChatGPT right here. I'm gonna say, can you rewrite this script to sell my product instead? And then I'm gonna go ahead and paste the script. And then I'm gonna go ahead and insert the URL for my product. So for example, the water gun. Gonna paste it onto here, the AliExpress link, and I'm gonna say my product name is Water Blaster. And pretty much all ChatGPT is gonna do is take this script right here and rewrite it for your product. So for example, this is not a water gun, this is a high power precision device engineered for ultimate soaking domination. And obviously, sometimes AI messes up, so if the script doesn't look like that good, you can go ahead and edit it yourself, but this is a really good foundation for our script right here. And all we're gonna go ahead and do is just copy this right here, copy. And now we're gonna go ahead and actually make a voiceover with this script, and we're gonna go ahead and use 11 Labs. So we're on 11 Labs right now. All we're gonna do is paste this script in, and you go ahead and choose a voice right here, whatever you'd like. And if you don't have 11 Labs, there should be a link down below as well. But for us, I'm gonna use the voice right here called Will. I'm gonna go ahead and play a sample really quickly.
We make our own fortunes and we call them fate.
All right, so Will sounds like the actual AI actor that everyone's using right now. So I'm gonna use Will right here. So I'm gonna click Will. And you can go ahead and move these up and down depending on what it sounds like afterwards. But I should be good to go. So I'm gonna go ahead and click generate speech right here. All right, we're gonna go ahead and actually see how it sounds like now.
This is not a water gun. This is a high-powered precision device engineered for ultimate soaking domination. Smart, pressure-driven.
There you go. It sounds really good. And like I said, I took that from the competitor, but instead of using their product, to go ahead and selling our product now. So same script. And all we need to do is actually take this script right here, download it. And now we're gonna be in CapCut right here. If you don't know what CapCut is, it's actually made by TikTok. It's a video editor online. So go to the link down below as well. All you're gonna do is click create new right here. We're gonna go ahead and do 9:16 because that is the best aspect ratio for now. Go ahead and click next right here. And all you're gonna do is actually drag in your 11 Labs audio right here. So drag that in. And what I do after dragging it is I should go ahead and find content that's related to the actual audio. So for example, this right here.
This is not a water gun. This is a high-powered precision device engineered for ultimate soaking domination.
So you want to find B-roll content to exactly what the audio is saying. So you want to show a clip of the gun right there, and you want to go ahead and show a clip of the gun actually shooting a lot and like shooting really fast, because it's basically saying that this is not a water gun, this is a high-tech engineering gun. So I'm going to go on TikTok right now and find some clips of this water gun being used. All right, as you can see right here, I'm on TikTok now, and I searched up water gun blaster. As you can see, there's a bunch of footage of people using this water gun right here. It looks really, really crazy. It's like some high-tech engineering water gun. I'm gonna go to SnapTik. If you don't know what SnapTik is, go to the link down below as well. And all you're gonna do is copy the URL, go to SnapTik right here, paste the URL in, click download, and we're gonna go ahead and download that clip because it's a really good opening clip for our. So go ahead and click download video HD right here. You have to watch an ad, but that's totally fine. All right, it's downloaded now. So the first thing is the hook of the video. So all you want to do is click here, drag the snap tick in, and obviously you don't have to use the entire footage because the footage is a little bit too long. So what you want to do is actually just go ahead and take a clip of it. So for example, this looks pretty crazy. I'm gonna go ahead and drag it up to here. As you can see, this is the hook of our video.
This is not a water gun.
And I actually like the sound effects that the water gun is making, but honestly, the audio is a little bit too loud. So all we're gonna do is click audio right here and move the volume a little bit down, maybe negative 35 decibels. And you're gonna see that this is a really good hook for the creative.
This is not a water gun.
As you can see, it looks really, really good. So I'm going to go ahead and take this hook and end it right there. Now, we're going to find another video that's related to the text as well. So for example,
This is a high-powered precision device engineered for ultimate soaking domination.
all right, so you hear that. You basically want to find B-roll footage that's related to that. So for example, go back to TikTok right here, and we're going to find footage that is going to be related. So this video right here looks pretty good as well. So what you're going to do is right here, right click, copy, go to SnapTick right here, go in and click download another video, right click here, paste it onto here, click download, and once that's done, we're gonna do the same exact thing. We're gonna move that B-roll footage into the front because it matches exactly what the audio is saying. So click download video HD right here. Once that's done, go to CapCut right here, pull this into here. I'm basically gonna do this until the end of the video. So I'm going to show you guys another example really quickly. So you can see.
Water gun.
And like I said, make sure the audio is lowered, or maybe even 0 for this one. Let's go ahead and take a look at this now.
Water gun. This is a high-powered precision device engineered for ultimate soaking domination.
All right, there you go. And basically all you want to do is keep doing that until the end of the video. I'm going to do it off camera. I'll see you guys in a bit. Remember, if this is too much work for you, or you don't have time or the energy or the skill to go ahead and make ad creatives yourself, because you have to make multiple of these ad creatives, you can go ahead and actually order the package off of Viral Ecom Ads. The link is down below. They're the ones that help me make the ad video, and also made the video in the beginning of the video to show you exactly how they actually make good creatives. As you can see right here, they have a bunch of different packages you can go ahead and choose from. So like I said, if you want help on your ad creatives and you don't want to do the work, you want a carefree way and let professionals handle it for you, and all you need to do is send them the product link. Just go to the link down below for Viral Ecom Ads. So you don't have to be like me, actually working the ad creative for the next 50 minutes or so. All right, we just finished the ad creative. I actually switched out some clips because I found better clips online, so you can always do that. But I'm going to show you the exact ad creative that we actually made right now, as you can see.
This is not a water gun. This is a piece of high-tech engineering, a powerful, precision-designed, pressurized water blaster that was designed, developed, improved, and built for peak performance. If you're watching this, it's probably because you have a backyard filled with weak, leaky squirt guns that haven't been fun in years.
All right, it is lagging right now, but let me go ahead and rewind it really quickly.
Guns that haven't been fun in years. And why? Because ordinary water guns just aren't exciting enough anymore. So what does it take to grab attention and get everyone running, dodging, and soaking wet? You have to create something that appeals to everyone's deepest desire for exhilarating fun.
All right, that entire half of the video was literally just a hook and to gather attention. Number one, it said that this is not a water gun. This is a highly engineered blah, 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 blah. Number two, it said you probably have water guns at home that you haven't used in a long time because they're just not fun. And number three, it shows clips of this water gun actually being used against other family members, friends, and it basically is the vibe of the video. You want to buy this water gun, not because of the water gun itself, but because of what it actually gives you, which is a fun time with your family and friends during summertime.
A device that shoots further, hits harder, and holds more water. A water blaster that's powerful, leak-proof, easy to reload, and ready for action at any moment.
All right, now here's the features of the water gun. Like I said, you want to do the hook first. You want to grab some attention. The benefits is having fun with friends and family. And now we talk about the features of the water gun. You know, it reloads fast, it holds water, it shoots fast. When Apple advertises their product, they're not saying, hey, it has a 58 megapixel camera with blah, 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 blah. They do say that, but at the end of the video, at first, they show you the results. They show you how people are running around the beach with the camera, people capturing memories with their iPhone. They show you the benefits first and then the features later. So you want to do that exactly what I did. You want to show the benefits first and then the features right afterwards. And then you close it out with a CTA, and I'll show you guys in just a bit.
So no one has to wait around pumping or refilling when the action heats up. A blaster that understands the thrill of the chase. Made from durable materials that handle the most intense water battles you've ever experienced. A product that not only entertains, but turns every game into an epic experience. This is not a water gun.
All right, there you go. That's exactly how you make a high converting creative that can make you $10,000 a day. As you can see right here, this water gun is just a regular water gun on AliExpress, but we're able to make it seem like some crazy cool water gun that all your friends and family will have fun with. Honestly, I'm about to get one right now. I actually play with my friends outside because this water gun actually looks really fun. And yeah, that's how you make a winning creative. By the way, if you're interested in working with me one-on-one to help you get results like my current students right now, because I've helped people, even complete beginners, hit their first 1K day, 5K day, 10K day, and even more. I help them find their first winning products, create their brand and Shopify store, and I'll even help you run your ads. We actually have a student right now that's been able to do over $100,000 a month with my mentorship at 30% profit margin. Another student just hit around 4 to 6K a day in revenue, and we have another student that's done over 40K in a single day. So if you want results, you want my help one-on-one, make sure to call me down below, the first link down below. And if you're interested in watching how I test products after I make the creatives, go watch this video right here or right here. See you guys next time. Peace out.